Welcome to Chinnu Maths tutorial. Today we discuss intermediate second year mathematics paper 2B. వీడియో స్టార్ట్ చేసే కన్నా ముందు మన ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. పక్కనే గంట సింబల్ ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని ప్రెస్ చేయండి. అగైన్ మీకు 3 ఆప్షన్స్ వస్తాయి, అందులో ఆల్ అనే ఆప్షన్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. అప్పుడే నేను పెట్టే ప్రతి వీడియో కూడా మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్లో రూపంలో అందుతుంది. సో ఒకవేళ నోటిఫికేషన్ రాకపోయినా ఎవ్రీడే ఈవినింగ్ 6:30 తర్వాత ఒకసారి మన ఛానల్ ఓపెన్ చేయండి. సో క్లాసెస్ అప్లోడ్ చేయబడి ఉంటాయి. సో వీడియో చూసే కన్నా ముందు వీడియోకి ఒక లైక్ ఇవ్వండి, అలాగే ఈ వీడియోని మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరూ కూడా షేర్ చేయండి. సో మన ఛానల్కి సపోర్ట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ యువర్ సపోర్టింగ్. నెక్స్ట్ we discuss exercise problems. The first problem is locate the position of the point P with respect to the given circle. Given two questions we discuss. Given the point is 3, 4 and s equal to 0. With respect to this circle you have to locate this position. So then given that Px comma y equal to 3, 4 and given circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. How to locate the given point P position? Before finding the power of the point, the power of the point is S11. How to get S11 value? The given point substitute in the given circle equation, you will get S11 value. So then 3 square plus 4 square minus of 4 into 3 minus of 6 into 4 minus 12. Then S11 equal to 3 square 9 plus 16 minus 12 minus 24 minus 12. So then S11 equal to 25 minus 12 minus 12 minus 24, again minus 24 means 48. It is equal to minus 23. It is less than 0. Then S11 is less than 0 means, according to the definition of power of the point, the power of the point is having the negative value. So therefore point P lies inside of the circle, s equal to 0. So that means it is the circle s equal to 0, it is the center of the circle, then the point P is inside of the circle. The second question, same thing. Given point Px comma y equal to 4, 2. Okay. Given circle 2x square plus 2y square minus 5x minus 4y minus 3 equal to 0. But we can observe the given circle equation, it is not a general form, but you can find the power of the point. Just you can substitute the given point in the given circle equation, you will get power of the point, that is equal to S11. So if you find the S11, you cannot change into the general form, directly you can substitute, you will get S11 value. S11 equal to 2 into 4 square plus 2 into 2 square minus of 5 into 4, then minus of 4 into 2 minus 3. Then you have to calculate S11 equal to 4 square means 16 to the 32 plus 4 into 2 8 minus of 20 minus of 8 minus of 3. So then S11 equal to 32 plus 8 40 minus of 28 minus 3 minus 31. So it is equal to 9 is the positive value. So then S11 is greater than 0. S11 is greater than 0 means the given point is outside of the circle. So then the position of the point P is outside of the given circle s equal to 0. Therefore P lies outside of the circle s equal to 0. Next question, find the power of the point. What do you say? Find the power of the point P with respect to the given circle s equal to 0. The first question is given that the point is P minus 1, 1 and given the circle s equal to 0. With respect to this circle you have to find the power of the point. So then given point Px comma y equal to minus 1, 1, then circle s equal to x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12. Power of the point what is the power of the point is denoted by S11. Already we know that. How to get S11? The given point substitute in the given circle, you will get S11. S11 is nothing but power of the point. So then minus 1 whole square plus y square 1 whole square minus of 6 into minus 1 plus 4 into 1 minus of 12. So then it is equal to minus 1 whole square plus 1, again minus into minus plus 6 plus 4 minus 12. So it is equal to plus 2 minus 12 equal to minus 10, 6 plus 4 equal to plus 10. Both are gets cancelled. What will get? S11 equal to 0. What is the power of the point? S11 equal to 0. Suppose he asking location of point P with respect to the circle S equal to 0 means S11 is equal to 0 means the point lies on the circle. Okay. Go to the second question. Given point P x comma y equal to 2 comma 3. The point P x comma y equal to 2 comma 3. S equal to x square plus y square minus of 2x plus 8y minus 23. What are you asking? Power of the point. Power of the point. What is the power of the point? S11. So then the given point substitute in the given circle, you will get S11. Then 2 square plus 3 square minus of 2 into 2 plus 8 into 3 minus of 23. It is equal to 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 2 into 2 4, 8 3 24 minus 23. So 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 24 37, minus 4 minus 3 equal to minus 23 equal to minus 27. So then finally 37 minus 27 equal to 10. What is the power of the point? Equal to 10. 10 is the positive value or negative value? Positive value. S11 is greater than 0 means the point is lies in the outside of the circle. Next we discuss find the length of the tangent. What he say? We have to find length of the tangent from the point P to the given circle S equal to 0. So you can observe the given two questions. Given point P equal to given point P x comma y equal to 0 0, given S equal to x square plus y square minus 14x plus 2y plus 25. Okay, what are you asking? Length of the tangent. So length of the tangent from point P to the circle S equal to 0 is, what is our principle? Root of S11. The root of S11 gives the length of the tangent. Before that, find S11 value. What is S11? How to get S11? Given point substitute in the given circle equation, you will get S11. S11 is the power of the point. Okay, x value equal to 0 whole square plus again 0 whole square, 14 into 0 plus 2 into 0 plus 25. S11 equal to the total value equal to 0, the constant is 25. But you have to find root of S11. Then root of S11 equal to root of 25. Root 25 equal to 5. So then what is the length of the tangent is equal to 5. Similarly, the second question, given point P x comma y equal to 2 comma 5. Okay, then S equal to x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y minus 5. Next, length of tangent is root S11. Before that, find S11 value. It is equal to 2 whole square plus 5 whole square minus of 5 into 2 plus 4 into 5 minus 5. Then you have to calculate S11 equal to 2 square equal to 4 plus 25 minus 10 plus 20 minus 5. S11 equal to calculate the positive values. 25 plus 20 equal to 45, 45 plus 4 equal to 49, minus 10 minus 5 minus 15, it is equal to 34. But you have to find root of S11 equal to root of 34. The root of 34 is the length of the tangent from the point P to the given circle is equal to 0. Next question, if length of the tangent from the point 5, 4 to the circle given that x square plus y square plus 2ky equal to 0 is 1, then find the k value. See here, what are the given that it is the given the circle s equal to 0, and the point P 5, 4, given that the point P equal to 5, 4. With respect to the point P, 4, you can draw the one tangent line to the circle s equal to 0. It meets the circle at the point of T. Then the length of the PT is given that it is denoted by root S11. It is given that what is the length of the tangent? It is equivalent to 1. It is the condition. By taking this condition, you have to find the k value. So given point Px comma y equal to 5, 4. Given circle is x square plus y square plus 2ky equal to 0. Next, length of the tangent is given that what is the length of the tangent equal to 1. So according to the principle, what is the length of the tangent is root of S11. It is equal to 1. Squaring on both sides, what will get? S11 equal to 1 square. 1 square is nothing but 1. S11 means power of the point. The given point substitute in the given circle will get S11. Already we know that. So that means 5 square plus 4 square plus 2k into y 4, it is equal to 1. Then calculate 25 plus 16, 4 to ja 8 into k equal to 1. 25 plus 16 equal to 41. 41 plus 8k equal to 1. So then 8k equal to 1 minus of 41. Plus 41 can be written as here the sign should be changed. So 8k equal to minus of 40. 8 1 ja 8 5 ja, then k equal to minus 5. So then what is the k value equal to? Minus 5. Next, same model question. It is very important question. If length of the tangent from the point 2, 5 to the circle s equal to 0 is root 37, then find the k value. Same question. Given the circle equation and given the length of the tangent, that is equal to from the point 2, 5. What is the length of the tangent is denoted by root S11. Given that this value is equivalent to root 37. Okay, by using this condition you can find the k value. Given point Px comma y equal to 2, 5 and given circle is x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y plus k equal to 0. According to the problem, given that the length of the tangent equal to root 37. So length of the tangent means root of S11. It is equal to root 37. Squaring on both sides, square root both are gets cancelled. What will get? S11 equal to 37. S11 means the power of the point. The point substitute in the equation of the circle will get S11. Then 2 square plus 5 square, minus of 5 into 2 plus 4 into 5 plus k equal to 37. 2 square equal to 4 plus 25 minus 10 plus 20 plus k equal to 37. So 29 plus 20, 49 minus of 10 plus k equal to 37. So then it is equal to 49 minus 10 equal to 39 plus k equal to 37. Plus 39 can be written as here, the sign should be changed. So then k equal to 37 minus 39, then k equal to minus 2. So then the k value equal to minus 2. Next question we discuss. If a point P is moving such that the length of the tangents draw from the point P to the circles, given how many circles? 2 circles, are in the ratio 2:3, then find the equation of the locus of P. What is same? Given 2 circle equations, it is the first circle, s equal to 0. The another circle equation is s dash equal to 0. S dash equal to 0. S equal to 0 is the first circle equation. S dash equal to 0 is the second circle equation. If you take the point P, x comma y, with respect to the point P, you can draw the tangent line with respect to the first circle. It meets at the point of T1. Similarly, if you draw the tangent line with respect to the second circle, the tangent line meets the circle at the point of T2. So what is the PT1 is length of the tangent with respect to the first circle. So then it is denoted by root S11. The P22 is also length of the tangent with respect to the second circle. So then it is denoted by root S11 dash. This is length. Given that root S11 is to root S11 dash, this ratio is given that 2:3. By using this condition, you can find the locus of point P. See here, with respect to the diagram, given circles S equal to, what is the first circle? X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. S dash equal to, the second circle equation is x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 equal to 0. Length of the tangent from Px comma y to s equal to 0, that means the first circle, is root of S11. Okay, next, root of S11 means how to get root S11 equal to, so the point is substituted in the first circle equation, so that means root of, you will get the same equation, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12. Okay, next, length of the tangent from Px comma y to s dash equal to 0, the circle s dash equal to 0, is root of S11 dash. So it is also, the point is substituted into the second circle equation, you will get root S11 dash. So x square plus y square, x equal to x, y equal to y, so that means you will get the same equation, plus 6x plus 18y plus 26. But by the problem, given, what is the ratio? Root of S11 by root of S11 dash equal to, given the ratio is 2:3. 2:3 can be written as 2 by 3. Since 2:3 is equivalent to 2 by 3. 3 into root of S11, it is equal to 2 into root of S11 dash. Okay. Then squaring on both sides, what will get? 3 square means 9. Square root both are gets cancelled. What will get? S11. It is equal to 4 into S11 dash. Okay. Then 9 into S11 means first circle equation, x square plus y square minus of 4x minus of 6y minus 12. It is equal to 4 into S11 dash. So what is the value? X square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26. Then you can multiply. The bracket value is multiplied by 9. 9x square plus 9y square. 9 4 ja 36x. 9 6 ja 54y minus 108. It is equal to 4x square plus 4y square. 4 6 ja 24. So 18 4 ja 72 plus 26 into 4. What is the 26 into 4? 80 plus 24, 104. 104. All these values can be written as here. Their sign should be changed. So 9x square. 4x square can be written as here minus 4x square plus 9x square minus 4x square equal to 5y square. Similarly, 4y square can be written as here, that is equal to minus plus 9y square minus 4y square equal to 5y square. After that, x values plus 24x can be written as here minus 24x. Minus 24x means minus 24 minus 36, that is equal to 60x. Next, y terms plus 72. Plus 72 can be written as here minus 72. Minus 72 means minus 72 minus 54 minus 126y. Okay. Next, plus 104. Right here minus 104. Minus 104 minus 108. What will get? 104. So that means 212. Minus of 212 equal to 0. This is the required solution. Next we discuss last question for this exercise. If a point P is moving such that length of the tangents draw from the point P to the given two circles in the equal ratio. What is the given? The ratio is equal ratio. Find the equation of locus of P. See here, given the two circle equation, that is s equal to 0 and s dash equal to 0. P is the moving point taken as x comma y. With respect to the point P, we can draw the one tangent line with respect to the first circle. The tangent line meets the circle at the point of T1. Then PT1 is called as the length of the tangent. So it is denoted by root of S11. Similarly, take the another tangent line. It meets the second circle at the point of T2. PT2 is the length of the tangent. It is given by root of S11 dash. So this ratio is given that equal ratio. Equal ratio means 1:1 ratio. So then given circles, what are the given circles? X square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 equal to 0. It is equal to s equal to. Next, s dash equal to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. Next, length of tangent from P to the circle s equal to 0 is root s11. What is the root s11? Equal to root of the point P x1 y1 substitute in the first circle. So then you will get x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15. Clear. Next, length of tangent from P to the circle S dash equal to 0 is root S11 dash. It is equal to root of second circle equation is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12. Okay, given that, according to the problem, given that root of S11 by root of S11 dash equal ratio means 1 by 1, so that means 1:1 ratio, equal ratio. By taking the cross multiplication, what will get? Root of S11 equal to root of S11 dash. Okay, squaring on both sides, what will square root both are gets cancelled. S11 equal to S11 dash. Then continue. S11 means x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 equal to S11 dash. S11 dash value equal to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12. Equal terms on both sides, both are gets cancelled. X square y square. What are the remaining? 8x plus 12y plus 15 equal to minus 4x minus 6y minus 12. All these elements can be written as in left side, their sign should be changed. First write the left side values, 8x plus 12y plus 15, then plus 4x plus 6y plus 12 equal to 0. 8x plus 4x equal to 12x, 12y plus 6y equal to 18y, plus 15 plus 12 equal to plus 27 equal to 0. 3 is the common factor. 3 4 ja 12, 3 6 ja 18, 3 9 ja 27 equal to 0. It is the required equation. It is the locus of